wellness and health-focused amenities in the hospitality industry. In the era where health and wellness are at the forefront of consumer priorities, the hospitality industry is undergoing a significant transformation. Today's travelers are seeking more than just a place to stay. They're looking for experiences that prioritize their physical and mental well-being. As such, hotels and resorts are adapting their offerings to meet these evolving consumer demands, incorporating a range of wellness-focused amenities and services. The rise of wellness travel. Wellness travel has emerged as a booming trend in recent years, with travelers increasingly prioritizing experiences that promote health, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Whether it's yoga retreats, spa getaways, or wellness-focused excursions, consumers are actively seeking out destinations and accommodations that support their well-being goals. Consumer expectations in the hospitality industry. When it comes to wellness and health-focused amenities, consumers have clear expectations from the hospitality industry. They're looking for accommodations that offer, number one, is healthy dining options. So consumer wants access to nutritious and balanced meal options that cater various dietary preferences and restrictions, from farm to table dining.
Another accommodation that they're looking is the fitness facilities. Whether it's a well-equipped gym, yoga studio, or outdoor recreational areas, hotels are investing in amenities that support guest fitness routine. Third one is spa and wellness services. Pampering spa treatment, meditation session, and wellness workshop are becoming increasingly popular among travelers seeking for relaxation and rejuvenation. Lastly is the mindfulness and mental health resources. Hotels are incorporating meditation spaces, mindfulness program, and wellness coaching services to support guests' emotional well-being. And here is the some hotel that has a wellness getaway in the Philippines. First, we have the Banwa Private Island in Palawan. Chef will prepare dishes tailored with your specific taste and desire, following the motto of Your Island, Your Menu. Mithi Resort and Spa, Bohol. Mithi is the Bohol's most luxurious spa resorts with world-class amenities and tropical landscape, embraced by the crystal clear water along the coast of Panglao. Third one is the Badian Island Wellness Resort, Cebu. Fourth is the Nurture Wellness Village of the Tagaytay. Fifth is the Atmosphere Resort Spa in Negros Island. Sixth is the Iskaya Beach Resorts and Spa. Seventh one is the Retreat Spa at Okada, Manila. Retreat to serenity and indulge in wellness solution and carefully designed treatment options that are truthful and caring. Be captivated with the best skincare and bespoke spa program delivered by expertly trained specialists and certified spa therapists who are keen to take you in a journey to get recharged, restore, and rejuvenate.
Innovations in wellness amenities. To stay ahead of the curve, hotels are embracing innovative technologies and amenities to enhance the wellness experience for guests. From in-room fitness equipment and personalized wellness apps to aromatherapy, diffusers, and sleep-enhancing amenities, hotels are leveraging technology to create customized wellness experiences tailored to individual preferences. The bottom line, incorporating wellness and health-focused amenities is no longer just a trend. It is necessary for hotels looking to attract and retain the guests in today's competitive market. By understanding and meeting consumer demands for wellness experiences, hotels can differentiate themselves, foster guest loyalty, and drive revenue growth. Looking ahead, as a consumer preferences to continue, the hospitality industry must remain agile and responsive, continually innovating and adapting to meet the changing needs of travelers. By prioritizing wellness, health, and focused amenities, hotels can create memorable experiences that resonate with guests, and set new standards for excellence in the hospitality.